What's going on, everybody? This is David from Caribbean Art Prints back with another video, and in this one we're going to be talking about making 8-bit mosaics. So when I was a child,
like a youth,
I was really into Nintendo, and I was really into how those characters looked, the 8-bit blocky kind of look, right? So I figured a mosaic style would lend itself really well to that kind of aesthetic. So for this project, we're going to need mosaic tiles, glue, acrylic paper, or some type of canvas that you want to stick the tiles onto, and of course a reference image. For my image, I'm going to be using a hummingbird, but you don't have to stick to that. You can choose any blocky image on Earth. Or even if you have kids and they're like Minecraft, Pokemon, Mario, Roblox, all those kinds of images will work out perfectly for this activity. Activities! Perfect! And you don't even need mosaic tiles, really. You could use Legos, you could use beads, anything that comes in mass, is of similar size, and comes in lots of colors, will work out perfectly. Alright, first, we're going to look at our reference image and map out a grid. Do a little bit of measuring on the canvas to make sure that we're centered. And then that's it, you just start laying out your tiles according to the grid. You can think of each tile like a pixel. Me personally, I like to lay everything out to see the full image before gluing anything down. Measure twice, cut once. And once you've done that, you can start gluing them in place. I lay the glue in a full row and then start placing tiles one by one. Once your last tile is in place and the glue is dry, you can put this in a frame, you can put this in a shadow box. Bam! Clap yourselves, you did it! And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content like this. Alright guys, big up. Catch you in the next one.